Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to blur the background on iPhone photos in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Use portrait mode while taking a photo. First open the camera app, then swipe until you see the portrait mode and make sure subject is about 2 to 8 feet away. This works best for people and objects. When you see the yellow portrait lighting appears, tap the shutter button. Your iPhone automatically blurs the background for a clean, professional look. Step 2. Adjust background blur after taking the photo. Now open the Photos app and select the photo. Next tap on Edit. At the top, tap the dipped icon. Use the slider to increase or decrease the background blur until it looks perfect. Next tap Done to save. Step 3. Blur background on existing photos. If the photo wasn't taken in portrait mode, don't worry, you can still blur it using third-party apps like Snapseed or Lightroom Mobile. Open the app and select your photo. Choose blur or lens blur and adjust the background manually. And that's it. Now you know how to blur backgrounds on iPhone photos in seconds. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.